Today we're making my coconut and lime baked rice. This is an easy, hands-off method of cooking and guarantees fluffy, tender rice every single time. Here's how we make it. First we need to weigh out 300 grams of basmati rice, give it a good wash and leave it to soak for at least an hour. Now to wash your rice you want to add it into a mixing bowl, then rinse it under cold running water, agitating it with your fingers. Then once the water turns cloudy, drain the water off, then rinse again. Then you want to repeat this process until the water runs clear. Then we cover the rice with cold water again and leave it to soak. Whilst your rice is soaking, you need to preheat an oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 374 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to drain the rice well, then add it into a baking dish. I used a 10-inch round one. Next we need to prepare the liquid that the rice is cooked in. So I'm going to add a 400ml tin of coconut milk into a saucepan with 250ml of water and a chicken stock pot. It's best to use full fat coconut milk, and you could use a veg stock pot instead of the chicken one. Next we're going to set the pan over a medium-high heat and bring the coconut milk to the boil. You'll want to give the milk a good stir to dissolve the stock pot. We're also going to season the milk with half a teaspoon of sea salt or a quarter teaspoon of table salt. Then as soon as the coconut milk has come to the boil, we're going to pour it over the rice, stirring it to distribute the rice evenly throughout the dish. Now working quickly, we're going to cover the dish tightly with foil, then place it into the preheated oven. Then we're going to bake the rice for 30 to 40 minutes until most of the liquid has been absorbed and the rice is tender. I'd recommend checking the rice after 30 minutes. To check the rice, take a quick peek under the foil to see if it's done. When the rice is cooked, cover it back up with the foil and let it rest for 10 minutes. Then to finish, we're going to squeeze the juice of a lime all over the rice, then fluff it up with a fork. The lime juice just helps cut through the creaminess from the coconut milk, but you could use half a lemon instead. As soon as you've fluffed up your rice, it's best to serve it immediately whilst it's still hot. And that's how I make a batch of my fluffy coconut and lime baked rice. This stuff goes great with homemade curries, grilled steaks, pan-fried fish and leftover roast chicken. The full written recipe can be found on my blog saltbuttersmoke.com. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another recipe.